we have up here is G to the O. G to the O. Let's go. What's good with y'all, man?
Yeah,
Today, we're going to perform our track This That One on my album What's Next, out on all platforms. Just a little bit about myself. I'm not only an artist, I'm also a content creator. I'm a diabetic, I'm a photographer. That's about it, etc., etc. I just want to say I'm grateful to have this opportunity right now to perform in front of all y'all. And I just want to let all y'all know, man, y'all matter. Don't let nobody let y'all think otherwise.
That's
y'all
right, yeah.
I believe.
All right, G, yo.
This song a little too fast. Hold on, how do I record this?
Yes.
D to the O, what you mean? Always see me on the screen. Sight, no, I ain't into that. I don't really do all the internet. I'll be grinding hard, I'll be burning stress. But this different, it's that one. I swear I do this for fun. And recording like 4 months. And recording like all year. I don't live like a fear. Cause I know I'ma go. It is what it is, YOLO. Stay to myself, dolo. Cause I can't trust any one of you. I'm coughing, you think I got the flu. Funny thing is you be coughing too. G to the O, yeah, that's who. Just in case if you didn't know. I gotta know where I gotta go. Avenues, drives in the streets. Myself, I feel so complete. I ain't need nobody but me. Me so blind I can see. Hop up, I blame it on the tree. Hop up, I blame it on the bud. And came from the team mud. So I'm legit on 101. You don't know that, let me show you something. Only drink water, nothing else. What I'm gonna put a top shelf. Goes to be, you had me in hand well. Can't relate to nothing that I felt.